Today we are going to dive into GA4 tracking code installation with the help of Google Tag Manager. Make sure you have GTM account set up. If not, click the link in the description to watch our Google Tag Manager setup tutorial video. Alright, first we need GA4 measurement ID for tracking. So let's go to analytics.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, you will see a list of your GA4 properties. Choose the one you want to track. Click on data streams under the property column. You might see a list of data stream for your property, and each data stream has a unique measurement ID, which you'll use to track your website. Then click on the data stream you want to track. In this case, I only have one, so I'll click here. Then you'll see the measurement ID in the stream details section. Copy this code and you're ready to install your GA4 tracking code on your website. Now let's go to Google Tag Manager. First log into your GTM account and go to your container. Click on Tags and New. Choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration from the tag template option. Enter your GA4 tracking ID in the fields provided. And to create a trigger, click on Triggering, select all pages as the trigger type, name your tag and click Save. Now click Submit, enter a version name and description, and then click Publish. And that's it. You have successfully installed your GA4 tracking code using Google Tag Manager. And to check if the GA4 tracking code is working correctly, go to the preview section, enter your website URL, click Connect, and it will start connecting to the website window. Once the website is loaded, GA4 tag will appear here if it's firing correctly. So here it is. It's working and we are good to go.